Hey guys, this is Cord from Heartland Building Center coming at you with another Milwaukee Monday. For this Monday, we have Milwaukee's M18 FUEL Brushless Blower. This blower pumps out 450 CFMs. It'll do that at 120 miles an hour with max airspeed. It does have two settings on it, a low and a high. Low, so that way you don't have to drain the battery as much if you have projects that you don't have to blow very much. It has a lockout button on the trigger. So that way, if you are holding the button for a long period of time, that way your hand doesn't get fatigued. This blower will throttle up in less than a second, so it's great compared to a gas one where you don't have all the maintenance and the throttle is going to take a little bit longer for response. And it will blow stuff away from up to 15 feet, so has plenty of power to do whatever job you need it to do. We'll turn it on the low setting here, which is the little turtle. And I'll hold the button down and you can tell, even on low, that has quite a bit of power. But then I just press this button again and that'll go on the high speed and I'll hold it down. And yeah, this blower has a ton of power to it. It can handle all your leaf projects, mowing your lawn, drying your vehicle, whatever you need it to do. This thing is more than capable of doing it. We do have this in stock in Hayes, Russell, and Stockton at all of our stores. If you want to stop by and check it out, we have it. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Make sure you like on Facebook and Instagram, and also make sure you subscribe on YouTube. Hit the notification bell, just notifies you whenever we post new videos, and that goes up on your feed. Make sure you comment on Facebook and YouTube as well. Let us know what tools you want us to review, and we'd love to do that. And also, we are in Russell and Stockton too, as well as Hayes. So if you want to stop by and check out a tool, we typically stock everything that Milwaukee has. Come in and see us for all your Milwaukee needs, and then also check out our videos every single week as we post new stuff every single week. So guys, we got something really exciting for you for this month of May. We're doing a giveaway on a Heartland Building Center hat and also a Milwaukee M18 FUEL battery. All you have to do for this is to comment on our YouTube channel and say something nice about it. Say what tool you want to see next. We're going to do the giveaway at the end of the month and decide which one is going to be the lucky winner. So comment, and we'll catch you at the end of the month.